Japan and Russia had been contesting for the strategically located Kuril Islands in the Pacific Ocean. Japan claims 4 of these Kuril Islands, whereas Russia claims the entire group of islands. Presently, the entire group of islands are under the control of Russia only. Background to this conflict. In the ancient period, both Japanese as well as Russian Empire claimed territories in the region. In 1845, Japanese Empire claimed Sakhalin Island as well as Kuril Islands as an extension of Hokkaido Island of Japan, in the face of contemporary claims of Russia. In 1853, US got access to Japanese markets and the inflow of foreign technology took place in Japan. At the same time, Russia also made a treaty with Japan called the Treaty of Shimoda. As per the treaty, the Japanese can settle in the southern part of Sakhalin Island, whereas the Russians in the northern part. With regard to Kuril Islands, all the islands except the 4 southern islands of Kuril goes to Russia, whereas the 4 islands named Iturup, Kunashir, Shikotan, Habomai goes to Japan. Japan felt that it could not defeat Russia at that point of time. With the coming of foreign technology and the Meiji Restoration in Japan, which took place in 1868, rapid industrialization has taken place and it also adopted Western ideas and means of production. Rapid industrialization led to rise of military power of Japan, which helped Japan in the overseas expansion. In 1875, by the Treaty of St. Petersburg, Russia gave all Kuril Islands to Japan in exchange for the Sakhalin Island. So now it is clear that the Sakhalin Island belonged to Russia and the entire Kuril Islands belong to Japan. Japan at the same time had considerable interest over Korea. They even fought with China, the Sino-Japanese War of 1894, for gaining influence over Korea. Russia remained neutral in this war. But in the later period of time, Russia got involved into the conflict on request from the King of Korea. Russia even occupied the Liaodong Peninsula, and between 1897 and 1903, Russia built Chinese Eastern Railway in Manchuria. Russian influence in Korea, its expansion in Manchuria region was seen as a threat by the Japanese. Japan even offered giving Russia the control over entire Manchurian region in exchange for Japan's control over the North Korea, for which Russia refused. Now Japan felt Russian presence in the region as a threat to its plan in the expansion into mainland Asia. So Japan went into war with Russia and defeated in 1904. Treaty of Portsmouth was concluded, by which Japan got the southern part of Sakhalin Island. So now the entire Kuril Islands as well as the southern part of Sakhalin Island is with Japan. With the outbreak of World War II, Russia occupied the entire Sakhalin as well as the Kuril Islands from Japan. By Altai Agreement and San Francisco Agreement, Japan gave up its claims over. With the restoration of diplomatic relations between Soviet Union and Japan in 1956, they issued a joint declaration by which Soviet Union offered to give 2 islands of Habomai and Shikotan to Japan. But this transfer has never taken place. In 2019, Shinzo Abe and Putin had agreed to accelerate negotiations based on 1956 document. They also agreed to discuss on the question of other 2 islands which Japan claims. The present issue is that Russia is deploying the coastal defense systems and other military bases in the disputed northern territories of Kuril Islands. Northern territories are nothing but the 4 islands that belong to Japan. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel.